First of all, thank you, Kayum sir, for giving me this opportunity. I am Waquar Danish. Currently, I am pursuing MCA last year. I am selected in IQVIA with the package of 6.5 LPA. I am also selected in NSMS. I remember that day when I joined ByteCode IT Solutions. I don't know anything about coding and I don't know anything about Java, C, C++. But when I started learning in ByteCode IT Solutions, then Kayum sir way of learning, way of explaining, it's different from other sessions. I suggest all the students who want to know anything about coding, any language like C++, Java, any, then it is the best institute for that student. I also tell one thing like when I am in the front of interviewer, then interviewer asks some question about me like in Java, any language. Then in that case, you feel like you are in master in that field. That's why like your inner heart says like क्या बच्चों जैसे सवाल पूछना. Once again, thank you for Kayum sir, and also say those students who want to learn anything, then please join ByteCode IT Solutions. Thank you so much.